In this video, I will show you how to upload files on Shopify. Let's get started. So in here, I have in here some different file types, which are zip file, JPG file, MP3 file, MP4 file, as well as PNG file. So I have in here a lot. So in here, I will show you how to upload all of them. So what you can do is you can head over in here on the contents and then click on the files right here, and you should be able to see all of the files that you have uploaded. So in order to upload new files, just head over and click on this upload files. And then in here, just select the file that you want to download or to upload as well. So I'll just head over and look for them. I'll just upload this picture right here. Click on open. And then in here, as you can see, it's uploading. So it's actually a JPG picture. And once it's been uploaded, you should just head over and load this file. As you can see, it's already been uploaded. So let's try to upload some more files, which are MP4 or GIF. So this one is a GIF file right here. So head over and open right here, and this will upload this GIF file on your files. So just wait for this right here to finish the uploading process, and you should be able to see it already right here once it's done loading, as you can see right here. Next thing, click on this upload files again. And then in here, you can actually add music as well as MP4. So let's choose MP4 first and then click on open right here. And as you can see right here, this will upload this specific MP4. So on some cases, the file format is not supported. That is because you're in a trial plan. So what you can do is you can head over and then subscribe to a plan on Shopify in order to upload MP4. Then let's try to actually do or upload the file, which is a music file. Let's click on this music and open this. And then this will upload this right here. And as you can see, this music format is also not available on a trial plan. So what you can do is you can head over in here on your settings, click on plan right here. And after that, in here, you can see this choose plan option. And then from in there, just choose a plan that is right for you. And once you have subscribed, you should be able to upload any file instead of just JPG, PNG, and GIF. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.